Good day, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Want to take you on a walk around a 16-foot moving box set on the crew cab Isuzu. This particular 7-seat capacity is a gas engine version, and it does come in diesel. Our 16-foot body features a very tall roof line at 91 inches, and on the back we have swing doors. Also at the back is the pull-out ramp, what you need for your daily moves in your area. Now, with it being a swing door, we have the stave at the bottom, and at the top we have the curvature. So as we enter up, what I put inside your truck for your needs is 2 rows of V-track on the sides, the aluminum roof for a cool body, and a hardwood floor. On the side of the truck, I have a side swing door which has a unique pull-out step, and is set at the back of the body to maximize the load towards the front from the side angle on the curb side. The pull-out ramp itself, a 2-step, drop down, swing the door, and you're in for your side load. Again, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. Look forward to working with you to design a truck that specifically meets your moving truck needs. Thank you.